Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something every PC gamer deals with: NVIDIA's never-ending driver updates. Why do they push so many? What problems do they cause? And most importantly, what's the right way to install them so you avoid headaches? Let's get into it. NVIDIA partners with dozens of games developers. Almost every new game launch these days is buggy or stuttery at release. So NVIDIA pushes out game-ready driver tailored for each new release, trying to optimize performance and fix issues fast. That's why you sometimes see 2, 3, or even 4 driver updates in a single month. But here is the catch. With so many updates, gamers often face new problems: installation errors, games crashing after updating, stuttering or FPS drops, even worse, Windows conflicts. And the most frustrating part, sometimes the update that was meant to fix performance actually breaks it for some users. So what's the best way to install NVIDIA drivers without running into issues? Here are a few tips that you can use to install any NVIDIA driver. Don't rush every update. If you're not playing the newest game that the update is targeting, you don't need to install it right away. Use custom installation in GeForce Experience. When you click Install, choose Custom. Check the option Perform a clean installation. This wipes old profiles and settings that sometimes conflict with new drivers. Consider using DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. If you don't get in crashes or errors, completely uninstall the old driver using DDU in safe mode. Then reinstall the latest NVIDIA driver fresh. Stick to WHQL drivers when possible. WHQL certified drivers are tested more thoroughly and usually more stable than hotfix or beta drivers. Keep Windows updated. A lot of driver users come from mismatched Windows versions, so always check for OS updates. One more tip: if you don't want to deal with GeForce Experience, you can download the driver directly from NVIDIA's website. Just enter your GPU model, pick your OS, and grab the latest WHQL driver. It's often cleaner and avoids unnecessary bloatware. So while NVIDIA's constant updates can be annoying, knowing how to install them the right way can save you a lot of frustration. What about you? Do you prefer frequent updates, or would you rather have bigger, less frequent ones? Drop your thought in the comments, and if you need any help, ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming and tech tips. See you in the next video, and have a good day.